advisory remains in effect from noon to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. What? Heat index values up to 103 expected. Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio. When? From noon to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. Impacts. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun. And check up on relatives and neighbors. Take extra precautions when outside. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing. Try to limit strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Take actions when you see symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke.